movie was more than a project. It's a celebration of talent, of courage, and the power of storytelling against all odds. So again, to the parents of our actors, I know I've said this before, but again, thank you for trusting us with your children. Watching them grow and explore showbiz has been such a true privilege and honor for us. To our actors, especially the ones with Down syndrome, thank you for your honesty, your heart, and your brilliance. Your joy and authenticity definitely shown through every frame. I hope you guys are proud of yourselves because I know that we are. Nathan, team, Mom, you made this possible. Thank you. Our co-producer, Sujin, Tita LT, thank you for helping make this story come to life. And of course, Direk Sigrid, for your literal blood, sweat, and tears for this story. Thank you for trusting us to help make it come to life. And yeah, this was really a truly special collaboration for all of us, and I super believe that we didn't just make a movie, we made something meaningful together. So I hope you guys felt that, and if you did, I hope you can help us spread the word by using hashtag #IamPerfect to MMFF on your social media and help us spread the word that yes, indeed, they can. Thank you.
Yes, smile tayo kahit umiiyak tayo. Smile dyan, okay? Come on, smile.
1 year, say yes we can. And 3.
Yes! Yes! Yes, we can! Yes, we can! Yes, we can!
First time nila napanood today?
First time lahat. Wala akong pinayagang makapanood sa kanila ni isa sa kanila.
Oh.
So lahat, first time yung lahat, pati ng cast. Ako lang ang nakakapanood na cast. So,
In-expect mo ba na ganito yung reaction nila? Most
in-expect.
like,
Kasi, ang galing nila.
sobra. Kala mo professional,
Ang galing,
di
di ba? And first time nila. Wala silang experience sa pag-acting, first time. So, kahit kami nagulat. Kaya lagi ko sinasabi, expect the unexpected. Kasi, ang galing eh. Alam mo yun, ang moving to, honestly, we're breaking the norm. Lagi natin silang binibaby, lagi natin sinasabi na, hindi nila kaya, kailangan nila ng alagay natin. Hindi, napatunayan nyo sa pelikula. So,
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Kayang-kaya po ng mga batang to. Nakita niyo naman po, kayang-kaya po nila. And today, start na po. Inclusivity. Inclusivity sa mga persons with disabilities. Kaya po nila. Maraming salamat po.
Mahirap po, hindi po ako mag-isip, mahirap po yung ginawa naming project. Pero dahil po, marami rin pong naniwala sa kanila, marami pong naniwala rin po sa vision ko, kaya gusto ko rin po magpasalamat po sa lahat po ng staff ko na talaga pong nag-alaga rin sa mga actors namin. Kahit po hanggang post-production, inalagaan po nila sila. Ay nalaga po nilang editing, ang kulay, lahat po. To my actors, I know you are overwhelmed right now, and I'm just very happy and proud of you guys na nakaka-proud kayo na makita kayo sa malaki ko sila. Sobrang nakaka-proud kayo and ganap na kayong artista. So, sana baunin nyo lahat ng mga natutunan nyo dito sa mga susunod yung project, sa mga susunod yung mga director. Sana baunin nyo lahat ng mga natutunan nyo, okay? Maraming salamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat.